The Nothing Ear and Nothing Ear A are two of the best budget earbuds you can get, and they have taken the market by storm. They both boast a sleek, transparent design that turns heads, offer impressive active noise cancellation for their price point, and come packed with features usually found in more expensive models. But which one should you choose? In this Ultimate Showdown, we're putting these affordable devices against each other to help you make the best decision. We'll compare everything from design, sound quality, battery life, and features. But that's not all. We've also got some surprising revelations that might just change the way you think about these earbuds. Trust us, you won't want to miss out on the juicy insights we've uncovered. Also, we dropped links to these products in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. Without further ado, let's get into the video. When it comes to design, both the Nothing Ear and Ear A sport a sweet aesthetic. With their transparent outer casings, you can literally see what's under the hood. It's a bold, unique look that sets them apart from the sea of generic wireless earbuds out there. But there are some key differences. The pricier Nothing Ear is virtually identical to last year's Ear 2 model, just slightly larger and heavier. The Ear A, on the other hand, is smaller and sports fun pops of color like bright yellow accents on the earbuds and case itself. So, which style suits you? The Ear has a more premium, understated vibe, while the Ear A is unabashedly playful. Personally, we're loving the Ear A's for their sense of whimsy. It's a refreshing departure from the usually boring black and white color schemes dominating this product category. But let's take a closer look at those transparent casings for a minute. Nothing is really flexing their industrial design chops here. You can clearly see the intricate inner workings, from the tidy circuitry to the beefy drivers. It's an aesthetic flex that reminds us these earbuds aren't just another boring commodity product. Of course, this naked approach does mean the insides are more exposed to potential dust and debris than traditional earbuds. So while the transparent look is undeniably cool, it may require a bit more care and maintenance long-term to keep them looking flawless. Of course, looks aren't everything when it comes to earbuds. You'll be wearing these for hours, so comfort is key. And in this comparison, the Nothing Ear A comes out on top. Thanks to its smaller size, the Ear A fits like a dream. It's the Goldilocks of earbuds. Not too big, not too small, just right. The larger ear, while not uncomfortable, may feel a bit snug for those with smaller ears. That said, both models come with 3 sizes of swappable ear tips, but the Ear A simply feels more secure and stable long-term. Even during sweaty workout sessions or head-bobbing jam sessions, these little guys promise no signs of budging. If you're someone who likes to wear their earbuds for extended periods, the Ear A is definitely the way to go. The larger ear is by no means a deal-breaker when it comes to comfort, but the Ear A is the clear winner if you prioritize all-day wearability. But let's get to the real meat of the matter: audio quality. After all, that's what you're paying for with a good pair of earbuds, right? In the sound department, the Nothing Ear and Ear A are more alike than different. They share the same 11mm drivers, and the tuning is strikingly similar between the two. You're getting an open, neutral sound profile that lets instruments and vocals really shine. Think lively, natural mids that let stringed instruments like guitars and piano cut through the mix with striking detail and clarity. The highs are crisp and airy without ever veering into harsh, fatiguing territory. And the low end packs a punchy presence without overpowering the rest of the frequencies. That said, there are some subtle differences. The Ear uses a ceramic driver coating rather than traditional polymers. This gives the low end a bit more definition and oomph, especially noticeable on tracks with deep bass like vintage Motown records or classic jazz recordings. We're talking about very minor differences here that even critical listeners may struggle to hear. But there's no denying the Ear's ceramic drivers inject just a hint more texture and bite to bass lines and kick drums. Whichever model you opt for, both earbuds deliver crisp, clear dynamic sound that blows standard AirPods out of the water. Whether you opt for the Ear or Ear A, you're in for an immersive audio experience that matches, if not exceeds, models costing twice as much. But what if you want to tweak the sound signature to your personal tastes? Well, both Nothing earbuds let you do just that through a slick companion app. Within the app's equalizer menu, you'll find presets tuned for different genres like rock, jazz, or podcasts. Or you can even go full amateur audio engineer and manually adjust the levels across a multiband EQ to your heart's content. It's a level of customization rarely seen in this price bracket. So if you tend to obsess over minute EQ adjustments or just want more control over your listening experience, Nothing's got you covered on both the ear and Ear A. Just dial in your perfect sound and enjoy premium level audio at a budget price. One of the biggest selling points of premium earbuds these days is active noise cancellation, and shockingly, the budget-friendly Nothing models don't just offer ANC, they deliver some of the best noise reduction in their price range. With up to 45 decibels of sound blocking, both the Ear and Ear A let you tune out ambient noise with ease. The solid noise cancellation is thanks to a duo of high-quality microphones monitoring environmental racket. Any background rumbles, whirs, or chatter get seamlessly filtered out in real time, leaving you blissfully immersed in your music or podcasts. It's not quite as good as the ANC hushing offered by $200+ earbuds from Sony or Apple's AirPods Pro, but they get pretty close for a fraction of the cost. So whether you're studying at a busy cafe, grinding at the gym, or traveling on a roaring jet engine, these Nothing buds have you covered. Just hit the transparency mode for a quick audio pass-through when you need to briefly tune back into the world around you. And we'd be remiss not to mention how effective the ANC is at blocking out your own skull vibrations during intense exercise sessions. If you've ever struggled to hear your music during a tough run, you will absolutely appreciate the Nothing earbuds' genius noise cancelling. It's a true game changer for the fitness buffs out there. Now on to battery life. Newsflash: the cheaper model actually outperforms the pricier one in this category. Surprising, we know. While the Nothing Ear offers a very respectable 5.2 hours of continuous battery with ANC enabled, the scrappy underdog Ear A manages an even better 5.5 hours on a single charge. Not a massive difference, sure, but every little bit counts when you're away from a charger. Both models come packaged with slick charging cases that roughly double that battery life for all-day untethered listening. Just top them up via USB-C or the Ear's wireless charging capability whenever they're running low. But why does the budget Ear A last longer than its premium counterpart? Well, it likely comes down to the less power-hungry chipset under its hood. By skipping the Ear's more robust processor dedicated to heavy-duty audio processing, the Ear A can eke out a bit of extra unplugged time between charges. So if straight battery endurance is your top priority above everything else, the Ear A simply lasts longer on a charge. But the Ear's wireless charging may sway some with its added convenience of topping up without a cable. In the features department, the higher-end Nothing Ear does pull ahead slightly over the budget A model. It packs a more powerful chipset that enhances audio processing compared to the slightly scaled-back Ear A. This gives the premium Ear a few extra tricks up its sleeve. It supports advanced Bluetooth codecs like Sony's LDAC for enhanced wireless audio quality when streaming. The Ear also boasts more microphones for improved voice pickup clarity during calls. But don't count the budget bud out just yet. The Ear A may use a less beefy chip, but it matches its pricier sibling in several key areas. Both models offer the same exceptional noise cancellation performance, letting you block out up to 45 decibels of external din. They also pack the same number of microphones for voice call quality, so you'll sound loud and clear on calls regardless of which you choose. The Ear A also keeps up when it comes to customization through Nothing's slick companion app. Just like the Ear, you get full access to an equalizer with preset and custom sound profiles to tweak that sonic signature. Both models also share Nothing's excellent touch controls that let you tap or squeeze the earbuds to control music, calls, and transparency mode without ever reaching for your phone. It's an incredibly intuitive system that puts playback and audio pass-through just a fingertip away. So while the Ear does gain a couple extra audio processing perks, the feature gap is honestly pretty narrow here. The Ear A still packs a hearty punch of premium functionality into its affordable package. Honestly, you really can't go wrong with either the Nothing Ear or Ear A. They both deliver premium features and performance that punch well above their weight class. But if we're looking at pure bang for your buck, The $100 Nothing Ear A is the clear winner here. For $100, you get stellar sound, top-notch noise cancellation, all-day battery life with a fun splashy design thrown in. Matched against pricier competitors in this range from Beats, Jabra, Samsung, and others, the Ear A simply provides significantly more value. The $150 Nothing Ear is still a great buy too, don't get us wrong. But unless you absolutely need wireless charging, advanced Bluetooth codec support, or want to eke out every last drop of audio processing power, it's hard to justify the extra $50 premium over the Ear A. Nothing to scoff at. At the end of the day, though, both of these affordable earbuds are incredibly impressive for the money. They look and sound far more premium than their price tags would suggest. Nothing has managed to undercut the competition by prioritizing sleek design and delivering pro-level features without the usual luxury markup. And that's a winning formula in our books. By stripping away the excess and focusing on nailing the fundamentals, stellar sound, effective noise cancellation, customizability, and intuitive controls, these wireless earbuds manage to defy expectations. You're essentially getting most of a $1,000 listening experience for a tiny sliver of the cost. So if you're hunting for a pair of reasonably priced earbuds that punch well above their weight, the Nothing Ear and Ear A should be at the top of your list. Whichever you choose, you'll be getting a stellar audio experience without breaking the bank. But what do you think? Are you Team Ear or Ear A? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this showdown, smash that like button and subscribe for more videos comparing the hottest new tech. We'll see you next time for more head-to-head gadget action.